This is never-ending bag. Hey guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Dani.
And I'm Morgan, and we're the Reactor back with another episode of KonoSuba, an explosion on this wonderful world. And in this last episode, Megumin and her classmates were sent to the forest to do some training, and they encountered a pervy guy stuck in a hole. They left him there, thankfully. And then all of the gargoyles from the school came to life and they were attacking them. So then
They destroyed the village.
They destroyed the village.
the villagers destroyed their village and defeated the gargoyles. But they did rebuild their town the next day. So
yeah.
that was
R ends. Wait, how does that sing? R ends at ends? Well, something like that.
oh
I know there's something like
shit, I
that.
don't know, dude. Something like
All's well that ends well.
all
Did he just?
all the ends that ends well. I don't know.
There's the whole it all worked out in the end.
Yeah.
That's it.
That was it. It's just silly.
Yeah. The guardian of the Crimson Demon Village.
Oh, and she got her cat.
Oh,
That was the
yeah.
last episode too.
Yeah.
Chomsky. Oh.
Oh, did you just slap her boobs?
Yeah.
Ouch.
That, I'm confused. They're measuring the chest?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
待ってて、今ご飯あげますからね。今日も可愛いな、めぐみんは。
Oh, they keep calling Megumi.
はい、どうぞ。
Oh,
Damn,
that's
it's
nice.
doing well.
もう可愛いな、めぐみんは。おい
It's not you too.
You should better name it then. Oh no.
No, you
Oh,
got too
it's
fat.
そんなことを言ったって、すでにこっちがめぐみんってことで定着しちゃったし。ほら見て、私にもようやく懐いてくれて抱けるようになったの。もういっそ、この子じゃなくてめぐみんの方が名前を変えた方が。
They want her to change her name.
ライバルの名前が変わってもいいんですか？じゃあ、クロちゃんとか。
That's cute.
ほら、その黒猫だから。
Oh, Ink is cute.
ダメ？
You also have a black cat named Megumin. Well, not Megumin.
Oh my god. Yeah. Close.
ではとりあえずはこの黒という変な仮名ってことで、もし本格的に私の使い魔となる際には、もっとちゃんとした素敵な名前をつけてあげる。
Chomsky.
注目！ああ、周辺のモンスターがまた活発化していると情報が入った。
Ornery. I haven't heard someone say that word in a long time.
午後は図書館で自習。
What is that?
以上。
Like, irritated or bothered and stuff.
爆裂魔法を習得している魔法使いは、
Yeah, that makes sense.
冒険者にパーティー入りを断られる。
Oh.
That's why the elf was traveling solo, I guess.
何度も来ていますが、すでに私が知っている知識ばかりですね。ユンユン、その本の続き、私にも読ませてはもらえませんか？いいけど、めぐみんもこんなの読むの？魚類とだって友達。
Fish are friends.
誰がこんなもん見せろと言いましたか？暴れん坊ロードの方です。
Okay, how is she supposed to
め
know?
ぐみんもこれ好きなの？面白いよね。私、もう何回も読んじゃって。
Can I get the cliff notes, please?
ネタバレはやめてください。っていうか、何ですかその本のチョイスは。せめて哺乳類にすべきでは。でもこれ見て。サボテンにだって心はあるんだって。つまり植物と友達。
Oh, she's so cute.
やめてよ。どうしてそんな同情する目で私を見るの？ちょっとユンユン、あんたまたそんなもん読んでるの？そんなに友達が欲しいなら私たちがなってあげようか。今なって。その今。
Yeah.
近い。顔近いって。
It's like when she tried to be partners with her.
友達なんてものはなってあげるものではない。
Why not?
Yeah.
What do you
Isn't that
mean?
kind of how it works?
ウニフラよ。
You
クラスメートの名前ぐらいちゃんと覚えなさいよね。二日物ですが。
Please cheer me up.
ねえ、 た友達って何か分かってる
It's
分かってるんだよね
A bee spider?
What the fuck is that?
kind of cute though.
It looks like it belongs in the Avatar world.
It's so cute.
Watch this. Watch this.
It is very cute.
で
Seems
ユンユンは
dangerous.
好みのタイプじゃないや前世での恋人ってどんな人だったの私その物静かでおとなしい感じで私の話を隣でって聞いてくれる
Good luck.
Yeah.
地味ね地味だね
Bland.
輪ゴムは
Oh.
実弾が
Need ammo.
そうちょっとお借りします
Jesus
God.
Christ.
Oh!
Oh no.
私が勝ち
He wasn't even doing anything.
青春を謳歌しているようだね。
Oh god, this guy. This is the creep,
Oh,
right?
is it?
Yeah.
なんでここに
The villain's neat.
レポートを覚えたんですか
Oh, damn.
ああ、すべては君たちが俺を拒
You just told me that extreme situation.
あの日、俺の中の何かが目覚めたんだ。ここは思い出の場所でね。よくソケット。
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, so he's so
借りたものさ。ソケットはとても勉強熱心でね。占いの本だけじゃなくて、自己啓発本とか、君出すのが恥ずかしいタイトルの本なんかもあったんだよね。でもなぜか、ソケットはぱったり
Oh god.
This, everyone's like, yikes.
森で修行を始めたようだから、俺も毎日森へ通うようになったんだ。
It's like everyone's face is disgust.
Ew.
待って
Yeah.
He made one of
Report
them.
him.
それで、今日は君たち女子に相談があってね。
Boy, get the fuck out of here.
忘れて眠れ
Good.
Yes.
Good job, ladies.
Let's bury him.
Let's-
Oh, damn. Yes.
Oh, they're not playing.
Yes. Good. Stay there.
Is this the girl? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is he just gonna appear in front of her house now?
ソケットは今日も綺麗だよな。
Goodness
ゴミ
gracious.
になって、あの人の足元に。
Well, you're
Give
you're
it,
close.
give it, yeah.
良いにも相手はこうまず不随一の美人対してこちらは何の取り柄も変哲もないニート
お願いだよ、二人とも。ソケットの好みのタイプを聞いてきておくれよ。
It's not you.
She probably knows, or
Yeah.
ニートなめんな。占いをしてもらう金があったなら、毎日店に通い詰めてるさ。
maybe stalkers are her type. I don't know.
What are those?
ライトオブリフレクション。じゃあ頼んだよ。
なんで消えるんですか無論一番
Oh god, don't let him go invisible. Oh,
He should not have that. He's the wrong person to have that.
no. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
ニート
Ew. God.
I hope she doesn't end up with this. Oh.
He saw it instantly.
Well, he was like fucking making all that noise.
毎日毎日
決してやらしい気持ちでやったわけじゃないんだよ。高魔族の女性たちがどんな色を好むのかという魔法使いとしての純粋な知的探求心から。
ブッコロリーがソケットに伝えたいことがあるそうですよ
ちょ、
そうそれは奇遇ね私もあなたに伝えたいことがあったの
Stop following me.
そんなに私のことが嫌いだったなんてもっと早く言ってくれればよかったのに
あ
私の何が気に入らないのか知らないけどずっと後をつけてくるなんて卑怯じゃないしかも今日は闇討ちまでしようとする
Try to ambush.
違う。これはだから。え？
Oh shit.
Oh my
bro.
god.
Oh, it's kind of cute.
Huh.
Oh my.
Uh,
Oh my. What's that Pokemon?
Ursula. No.
It's,
I don't-
I think you're right.
Ursula?
Something like that.
私の後ろで
You said they were together in the movie?
Like they showed up together. And
Uh-oh. I
思
hope-
いたいんだ。君の笑顔。
Whatever. He was just trying to look over her fucking skirt
I
earlier.
know,
didn't
that's
get-
too much. I don't want them to end up together now.
she got sucked into it.
Oh my god.
He's such an idiot.
この中にあなたと将来結ばれる可能性の高い女性が見えてくる。
It's gonna be
Oh,
himself.
Is it gonna be her and then she'll be like, oh, we're
見え
destined.
てくるわよ。
I don't know. I hope not. I hope
Oh.
not.
Nothing.
We just want better for you.
何も見えないんだ。
Uh-oh.
こんなはずはどんな
I guess there
Oh.
isn't someone for
Damn,
everyone.
damn.
Time to change your ways. Go work on yourself and come back later.
よりも余計辛いんだけど。
ダメ人間だけど結構面白そうな
I
人。
know, girl.
No, he's not interesting. What do you mean?
私が絡んでいる場合は水晶玉に何も映らないのよね。え？
Oh.
い
Because it didn't show anything? Does that mean it's her?
何も伝わらないものなんだなって。
Maybe.
Because she's in the room.
Because technically she can't read her own fortune, so if it was
Oh,
her,
It
yeah,
then
wouldn't
her
show.
it
own
wouldn't
future.
come through.
That's her future.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Okay, he needs to freaking go therapy or something.
Yeah.
そうでしょうね。ソケットの占いはよく当たりますが、未来は変わるものですから。素直にちゃんと仲良くしたいって言えたらいいのにね。まあ、ぶっころりはまず仕事。
Yeah,
That's
honestly.
so
Get a
true,
job.
yeah.
ご飯もまだおごってもらってないし。
And not look up
前から
girl
思ってたんだ
skirts.
けどめぐみには食い気し
And
か
the
ない
bar's
の
on the floor. Like she's in hell.
そういった感情はないの？私にはやるべきことがあるのです。色ぼけしてなんかいられませんよ。
I'm too busy.
She's like, I'm independent.
パー
Girly.
ティーメンバーと寝食を共にして助けたり助け合ったりすれば
Never gonna happen.
それで結婚することが多いと
A bit of foreshadowing.
Yeah.
それにしても私が誰かを好きになるとしたら
His name would be.
どんな相手にも負けない
うん
高い人だと思いますね。
Uh,
案外めぐみんは普通の人と結婚しそうなんだけどな。
not normal.
注目。
Why is he coming in like that?
架空モンスターが近隣を徘徊していることが分かった。財布員が終わるまでは一人で帰らず必ず誰かと下校するように言っちゃおう。
I love that teacher.
プニフラたちと帰るのではなかったのですか？ほら、モンスターが一人で帰ると危ないって。だから一緒に
If I lived in this world, I would want to be a crimson demon.
Yes.
で私を守ろうという気ですか？そう。私は高魔族随一の天才ですよ。ユンユンよりずっと優秀なんです。
Damn.
見くびらないでいただきたい。何よ、この前は一撃グマにおじけついて私を
Yeah.
The battle music.
ここで決着をつけましょう。自称私のライバルのユンユン。自称？いや、そうだけど。いいわ。
You guys are all self-proclaimed.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, he's still chunk.
It's so
びっく
cute.
りした。クロちゃんだったのね。痩せたんですね。これで米粉にとらわれずに済みますね。一緒に帰りませんか？そして帰りに
Oh.
That's cute.
でも私たちはライバルだし、ライバルなのに一緒に帰るのも変だし、それにどうせ買い食いって言っても私が買った食べ物を狙う気満々のくせに。ならいいです。明日からライバルに戻るのは明日からだから。
It's friendly rivalry.
I just don't understand why the four of them can't just all be friends. Is this because Megamine's kind of like she just does her own thing? She doesn't want to be
Yeah.
They
friends?
probably don't realize that they're living her out.
Yeah.
They don't seem like
Malicious.
intentional.
I know, they're also nice. Like,
yeah.
and that one girl with the eye patch, she's like, every time someone would be like, oh, you're so strong, like, I bet you can use the magic. And she's like, oh, I I bet Megumin can before me. Like,
I think she
Yeah.
has a little crush on Megan.
yeah, she always gives her like the credit before like accepting any herself. We're also nice. Like, it's just a nice
Yeah.
little group of girls. I love them.
Yeah, they are cute. I think you're right about the future thing, because it, like, if she can't see her own future, technically if she saw herself in there, she's seeing her future.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. But hopefully he like sees this as maybe something he can change.
I-
He knows that. I don't know.
I could have gotten behind it before the looking at the skirt thing. Like, obviously the stalker thing, and like
Trying to trap her in a
trying
hole.
to trap her in a hole and making one of his teleports in front of her house. See, I was willing to look past that.
That's a lot too.
But the skirt thing, that was too far.
I knew when he went invisible it was gonna be nothing good.
He should not have that.
No.
But maybe he does change, because if you know when he first showed up in the movie,
Yeah.
he was with, there's like, it wasn't just her, there was like a guy with them too, I'm pretty sure. There's like
Mhm.
3 of them, and they were like regarded as like one of the strongest people or
Yeah,
something.
okay.
So maybe he does change. There's like something like that in the movie.
We're trying to root for
Yeah,
you,
let's hope
but it's
so.
very hard.
Yeah, it's not good.
But I understand you, because she's the baddie. But
Yeah.
gotta be
Yeah.
respectful. And
Respect your baddies.
Respect the baddie.
I like how they all like gang up on him though. They all like
Oh,
look
yeah.
at him,
Oh,
like,
yeah.
with disgust. And I'm like, okay, dude, what
they
the fuck?
freaking dumped all those books on him.
That's so funny.
So he's getting punished for the way he behaves.
Yeah.
They're not.
Is he learning?
I need
from
more.
it?
Probably
I don't know.
not.
More punishment.
For real though.
This little spin-off series has been fun so far.
Yeah.
It's really sweet.
I like the little foreshadowing of like her.
Meeting someone.
Kazuma.
Kazuma.
Definitely.
I mean,
it is
definitely
like that. Right?
Kazuma.
That's what it is.
I guess he would be considered more normal since he's not even from this world. He's
Yeah.
literally from the normal world.
Yeah, definitely.
I guess out of their party, he is the most normal.
Yeah. Which, I mean, it's not saying a lot.
So true.
But he's definitely
That's so true.
a group of unique personalities.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure to catch us next time and check us out on Patreon, Discord, and like, comment, subscribe.
Bye.
「